Namaste students, खुश रहो बिटिया. I am JVN Dr. Meenakshi Maheshwari, Assistant Professor in Management Department in Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going about discuss the sales and marketing. Is this subject? Our fourth topic is what is marketing mix. So let's start about what is marketing mix. The marketing mix is defined by the use of marketing tool that combines a number of components in order to become harden and solidify a product brand and to help in selling the product or service. Product based companies have to come with the strategy to sell their product, and upcoming with a marketing mix is one of them. So marketing mix is a set of marketing tool or tactics used to promote a product or services in the market and sell it. It is about positioning a product and deciding to it sell in the right place at the right price and the right time. So right place, right price and right time. The product will be sold according to marketing and promotion strategy. The component of the marketing mix consists of 4 P's: product, price, place and promotion. In the business sector, the marketing managers plan a marketing strategy taking into consider all the 4 P's. However, nowadays the marketing mix increasingly include several other P's for better development. So what is the 4 P's of marketing? These are 4 P's. First one is place, second is product, third is promotion and fourth is price. First is product in marketing mix. A product is a commonly produced or built to satisfy the need of an individual or a group. The product can be tangible or intangible, as it can be in the form of service or goods. It is important to do extensive research before developing a product, as it has a fluctuating life cycle from the growth phase to the maturity phase and to the sales decline phase. Product has a certain life cycle that include the growth phase, the maturity phase and the sales decline phase. It is important for marketers to reinvent their product to stimulate more demand once it reaches the sales decline phase. It should create an impact in the mind of the customer which is exclusive and different from the competitor's product. There is an old saying stating for marketer, what can I do to offer a better product to this group of people than my competitors? This strategy also helps the company to build brand value. Second is price in marketing mix. Price is a very important component of marketing mix definition. The price of the product is basically the amount that a customer pay for to enjoy it. Price is the most critical element of a marketing plan because it dictates a company's survival and profit. Adjusting the price of the product even a little bit has a big impact on the entire marketing strategy, as well as greatly affecting the sales and demand of the product in the market. Things to keep on mind while determining the cost of the product are the competitor's price, list price, customer location, discount, term of sale, etc. Third is place in marketing mix. Placement or distribution is a very important of the marketing mix strategy. We should position and distribution our product in a place that is easily accessible to potential buyers and customers. Fourth is promotion in marketing mix. It is a marketing communication process that helps the company to publicize the product and its feature to the public. It is most expensive and essential components of the marketing mix that helps to grab the attention of the customer and influence them to buy the product. Most of marketers use promotions tactics to promote their product and reach out to the public or the target audience. The promotion might include direct marketing, advertising, personal branding, and sales promotion, etc. So it is the 4 P's of marketing. We discuss about 7 P's of marketing. The 7 P's model is marketing model. The modify the 4 P's model. As marketing mix, 4 P's become an old trend, and nowadays market business need deep understanding of the rise in new technology and concept. So 3 more P's were added in old 4 P's model to give a deep understanding the concept of marketing. 5th P of marketing is people in marketing mix. The company's employees are important in marketing because they are the ones who deliver the service to client. It is important to hire and train the right people to deliver superior service to the client, whether they run a support desk, customer service, copywriter, programmers, etc. It is very important to find people who genuinely believe in the product or service that the particular business create, as they are in a high chance of giving their best performance. Adding to it, the organization should accept the honest feedback from the employees about the business and should input their own thoughts and passions, which can scale and grow the business. And 6 is process in marketing mix. 6 P is process in marketing mix. We should always make sure that the business process, it will be structured and verified regularly to avoid mistakes and minimize cost. To maximize the profit, it's important to tighten up the enhanced process. And 7 and the last P is physical evidence in marketing mix. In the service industry, there should be physical evidence that the service was delivered. A concept of this is branding. For example, when you think of fast food, you think of KFC. When you think of sport, the name in your mind, Nike and Adidas. So it is the physical evidence of marketing mix. We explained marketing mix with example. This article will go through a marketing mix example of a popular cereal company. At the first, company target older individual who need to keep their diet under control. This product was introduced. However, after intense research, they last discovered that even young people need to have a healthy diet. So this led to the development of a product to young people. In accordance with all elements of marketing mix strategy, the company identify the product, price it correctly, did trim dance promotions and enabled it to the customers. This marketing mix example belong to Honeycomb, one of the most renowned companies in the candle niche. Following these rules, clearly has managed to make the company untouchable by all other competitors in the market. So is the marketing mix example. We explain what is marketing mix product. All products can be broadly classified into 3 categories. First one is tangible product, second intangible product, third is service. Tangible product, these are items with an actual physical presence, such as like a car, electronic device, and an item of clothing or a consumer good. Second, intangible, there are items that have no physical presence but can be felt indirectly. An insurance policy is an example of this. Online items like software, applications, or even music and video files are also intangible product. Third is service. Services are also intangible product, but they are the result of an economic activity that does not result in ownership. It is a process that creates benefits for customers. Services depend highly on who is performing them and remain difficult to reproduce exactly. These are the product of marketing mix. We explain importance of marketing mix. The marketing mix is a remarkable tool for creating the right marketing strategy, and its implementation through effective tactics, the assessment of the role of your product, promotion, price and place play a vital role in your overall marketing approach. Where the marketing mix strategy goes hand in hand with positioning, targeting and segmentation, and last, all the marketing elements include marketing mix. External marketing mix have an interaction with one another. So we repeat this session. What is marketing mix? Marketing mix is defined by the marketing tools that combines a numbers of components in order to become hardened and selling the product or services. Marketing. What is marketing mix? Marketing mix is a set of marketing tool or tactics used to promote a product or services in the market and sell it. 4 P's of marketing. First is place, product and promotion and price. We describe in above. And 7 P's of marketing. We include 3 P's of marketing. First one is people, second is process, and third is physical evidence. Marketing, we define marketing with the example. And last is marketing mix product. 3 main categories: tangible products, intangible products and services. Importance of marketing. The marketing mix is a remarkable tool for creating the right marketing strategy and in implementation through effective tactics. The assessment of the roles of your product, promotion, price and place plays a vital part in your overall marketing approach, where the marketing mix strategy goes hand in hand with positioning, targeting and segmentation, and at last all the elements included in the marketing mix, external marketing mix, have an interaction with one another. In this session, important question asked in the examination. First one, any one advantage of personal branding. Second is state the components of marketing. Third is define marketing with example. Fourth is a company has to decide about its price policy, credit policy, the term of Paytm, etc. Name the concept which is company is trying to decide. And fourth is what is marketing mix with example. What is 4 P's marketing, what is 7 P's of marketing, and so on. Thank you. This session is powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, we will discuss in the problem solving. Thank you.